Let's put it in order. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Wherever you put it, that will be, we'll just say 1 is here.
Halfway?
This is my new YouTube channel. Don't make a mess. You probably should have grabbed another beaker to hold this stuff over as you.
Oh, does somebody want to get a paper towel in case he spills? Try to make it exactly the same, or as close as you can. Krista, can you go in there and get a few paper towels just in case we accidentally spill something?
In case? Don't you mean
When
when?
have I ever spilled anything?
Do you really want to answer that question?
Okay.
The answer is probably not.
Okay, great, thank you. All right, now what's the next
Close
thing
enough.
to?
Here, and then we'll get ready to
Put the
cut the
3
crumbs.
tubes in the large beaker,
Super Soldier saying.
not the one being heated, so that they stand
Save
up.
thought.
Okay, we made a substitution.
Set the
We
screen.
actually have a,
Super Soldier Serum screen.
test tube holder,
Lou.
so we don't need a large
Gotta
beaker.
equal
We
them all
will
out.
use
This one
the,
has to have a little more.
What do you want me to go on to number 5?
There we go.
yeah. All right, yeah, go on to
Fail.
number 5.
So to the last test tube, number 4,
There.
we need a 4th one.
Right there.
Yeah.
Add only enough toilet bowl cleaner to fill it 1/8 of the way full.
1/8.
And then you're going to use tap water to dilute the toilet bowl cleaner until the test tube is half full, like the others.
Okay, then,
That's good.
That looks like an eighth.
maybe a little more.
Close the damn door.
Because this is a half, I mean, this is a half, so this would be a 4th, so an 1/8 would be maybe right here.
That's like a 16th.
Yeah, you got a 16.
Too much.
Yeah. So how about now
Set your
put
fire.
tap water in it to get it.
Don't, Seth.
No,
Don't. Just let it be.
No pour it back?
Let it go. Let it go.
Tap water then?
Let it go.
Well, you can always pour a little bit in this. You can pour a little bit in the sink. It's for cleaning toilets.
This is going to become a very boring YouTube video very
I
quickly.
think this is starting to boil.
That's halfway.
See, by the time we get through all this little part, the water will be boiling.
This is good.
Yeah.
Good thoughts. Good thoughts.
I think it's already boiling, so we
Apple.
don't want to lose all the water. So
Cable I got with Apple.
Well, that's
The battery.
we just want it boiling a little. We don't want to
Christmas.
lose all the water.
I want to know where those are.
Okay, so you diluted it
Better
now.
question's whether not.
All right,
Walmart,
who's good with
General.
knives?
Me,
You wanna
once
do-
again.
That's not
Okay,
good.
well, he's got the gloves. No, we'll have somebody else with the knife. All right, so
Ben,
what's
I'll
it
hold
say
the
here now?
That's water.
Take in
Why are you trying to videotape that? Why?
acid
Because-
tablet and
Oh, wait, you
use the
should,
knife.
oh, wait, you should be the videotaper and the knife at the same time.
Aw, you take away all the fun.
Said yeah,
Go ahead. If you cut the book, oh
I'm
well.
not trying to do this. So much.
Try not to cut my
Try
book.
to cut it into 4 equal pieces. And don't cut yourself.
Actually, you can do this. I'm gonna break them.
Don't. This is just
I can try it first.
slow. If you, do you want a serrated
Just
knife?
don't cut your finger.
Do you want a serrated blade?
This is not sharp enough, I don't think.
Here.
Just
Do
like
you want mine?
push it
This is one of
down.
our
Noah?
sharpest knives.
No? Do you want my knife? My knife's sharper.
See?
You use my
Well,
knife, it's sharper.
That's why I got 4 of those, just in case.
This is why I bring a knife every
Get out of my face.
You never know when to use it.
It smells horrible.
Okay.
It's like well.
Toilet bowl cleaner.
Smell that.
Sulfuric
So
acid.
maybe if you like hold it here, push it, and I'll hold
I
it
see an arm.
together so that it breaks.
You want me to push her?
Sulfuric acid and rubber.
There we go.
So did you get a little bit of the toilet bowl cleaner?
And then the same thing the other way.
It's sulfuric acid and
Yeah,
rubber.
into 4 pieces.
Oh, that's
Hold it
very
together.
good. How did you do that? That's
Very
nicely
with a
timed.
sharper knife, probably. Now, I wish I'd have my other knife.
That knife looks sharp.
Oh yeah, my.
I don't know what that
sharpen.
smell
I'll
is.
sit there. I'll sharpen my knives for hours for no reason at all. I won't use the knife since the last sharpening. But I'll
Now,
still
who has knives on them like that?
sharpen. Me?
That was your knife?
Yeah, it's my knife.
Okay, that looks
One of
like
my
pretty, that's
3
good.
then.
Okay, who has some stomach acid right now that they would just, because we have some extra Tums
you,
that apparently didn't need to be used. All right,
Seth, what are you supposed to?
It's sulfuric acid.
yeah.
It smells
you
like
go on
well
that.
water.
Yeah.
It sounds like egg.
Yeah, that's
Oh, it's
Yeah, well
Oh,
water.
oh.
Okay.
It's
So
Or
next we're
sulfur.
gonna
Sulfur, that's what I was
It
looking for.
smelled like a.
Well, she
Oh, I hate
forgot
that
to
crap.
give me a spoon.
Spoon.
No, that's right.
Oh, she did remember the spoon. Okay.
we're gonna take one of the
How about one of you two, or Kristen, we want to grind one of the, we want to grind one of these up. Maybe it'd be good to do it on a paper so that,
Which one? A quarter?
Probably.
just pick one of them and grind it up into
Just a
tiny
quarter?
little pieces. Yeah, try to grind it up into fine powder.
Done.
Oh, that didn't take long.
Wow.
It's essentially just chalk.
Get away from me.
It's no better than chalk. It's the same stuff. You may want to turn your water down just a little more, Phil.
Look at this.
There you go. Good job.
That's right.
You successfully pulverized a quarter of a Tums in a half a second.
Wow, look at that water ball.
That's what it is. It's cleaning stuff. It's literally sulfuric acid.
Oh, I went the wrong way.
Actually, this stuff is the worst.
If you put this,
I think if I let it go any
take
more,
some
the flame's
aluminum
gonna go
foil.
out.
Oh dear.
Aluminum foil.
Oh.
Yeah, say it again.
Aluminum foil.
Okay, now I
Aluminium
guess it wants
foil.
you to get it into the spoon. Fill
Yes,
the
it will.
spoon with the
The
powder.
amazing explosion.
All right, I wonder if it might be easier just to like,
Just
turn
use
that
that.
into a funnel and
Yeah, I'll do
get
it.
it in. I think we'll,
Put it in
we'll
which one?
improvise a little bit. Okay, it says once the water is boiling,
Probably in one, yeah.
remove the beaker from. Oh, sorry.
Wait, where am I putting this?
in a spoon.
Oh.
Okay, so once the water is boiling, remove the beaker from the flames of the boiling pot.
No, we're not. This is not cocaine. This is Tums.
Now, what's it say next?
Test tube number
gonna
3
happen.
into the hot water.
Test tube
Into
three.
the hot
Can
water.
you put that into the
Here,
hot
I'll hold a
water?
spoon.
Seth, go around.
I was about to. I'm just not going to move.
Okay,
I'm just
remember
gonna
this
stand
one
here.
is number 3.
This is 3.
That's 3.
Seth, remember this YouTube audience.
And
This
then
is
we're
3.
gonna place a piece of that in each one of them.
Okay, well, no, it says in 1, 3, and 4.
1.
Don't break it.
I put it in right now.
Yeah.
1,
Yeah.
3, and 4. Leave it out
Yeah.
at 2.
Wait, that's.
Okay, can everybody come around here and you need to observe.
Cheers.
Okay, and then what's the next thing say?
Put the
Take
powder
the powdered acid in the spoon and put it in number 2.
Okay.
It's just chalk. I mean, it's not going to really hurt you.
No, I'm just trying to get it all
Okay,
in.
does someone have a timer that we can,
It's right here.
we're gonna start
We're
5
recording.
minutes and
Start it. I
it
can't.
says to start
How long?
stirring the,
I'll do math.
Which one?
2.
okay, yeah, how
Probably.
about start stirring
How long?
all of them a little bit
This
and
one's
for
about
over
to
the
fall
course
over,
of 5
it says.
minutes.
Okay.
All of them?
Yeah.
Wait.
Stir
No.
it.
Now.
Yeah, we're gonna have a little.
Okay. So at 13 minutes of a video, this you should stop stirring.
Ready?
That works.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come on, you're almost there.
Oh, no, leave.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's gonna go over the top?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
Overboiled.
Come on.
okay. And then stir that. Well, I don't know if you want to stir that one.
That's probably not
That
a good
looks like
Seth,
it's-
Seth, it's probably not a good idea to be putting the rubber on the hot glass.
It doesn't feel that hot yet.
Seth, can you feel your hand?
I was
Oh,
just
wow.
smelling.
Seth, is your hand burning?
Guys, look at this one.
I was just.
2. Look at number 2.
Point,
That's
zoom in on
4.
that one. Zoom on that one.
That's 4. I can't. I've already done that.
Going over.
I feel like I should have,
Okay,
like,
what
an
do we do
evil
if it goes
chuckle.
over?
Read
Because
it
it's
out,
going
read it
over.
Pick it up and set it
That's
under.
why he has
No,
gloves.
this one.
That,
This one.
one's going over.
Put a paper
Seth,
towel
yours is
underneath it.
going
Put a
over.
paper towel. Put a paper towel. Put a paper towel.
I'm not.
This is
Just
what we do.
hold
This is what happens when we panic.
Good too.
There we go. We're good.
Okay.
Okay, who's somebody timing? Where are we at in the time?
We're at 9 minutes. We have to stop at 15. So
I thought you said 13.
13. Yeah, that's.
I can't even stir that one.
I feel like I should, like, I don't know. Like an
That's
evil
right, because we
chuckle
start
or
at 8.
something.
So yeah,
What?
so that'd be
Like an
13.
evil laugh.
What now,
See
Hoo-ha?
that one. You can see the bubbles there. Looks like that is
I gotta get this up
bubbling
here.
over.
Tomorrow.
Smell it.
Seth, who's this doing? It's about to-
I can't smell it, but
You can smell it, Tums.
Can you? Yeah, it's all over your face.
Yeah.
Seth, oh,
it's chalk, really. Oh dear.
Yeah, I could never eat Tums. It actually had the opposite effect on me.
Really?
Yep.
It gives you that.
Okay, you
Well,
just
like
try to
if
stir
I
that
had
one.
like
Oh.
a stomach ache
Oh,
and then
dear.
I took it, it just got worse.
I get nauseous from this stuff. So I mean,
Just because the flavor is like,
No, it's because of the texture for
and
me.
it's chalky, like
It-
nasty.
Are the
It-
bubbles going down at all?
Tums
or
pretty much is chalk.
This one is somewhat.
That one is
The
definitely.
heat probably just continue.
Maybe try stirring that one some more. See
You're not
if
doing
it'll.
it. It's going down now. You're not doing it.
Once
Ten.
it goes down,
What are
Whoa.
you doing?
As soon as I put it in, it starts to go up.
Careful. Be very, very careful. Don't make big mess.
Seth, look
Big
at
mess
this.
takes
Seth, look
vial.
at this one.
Big mess takes a while to clean up.
I can't really go any further or it's gonna go.
okay, maybe you can like move it around
Okay.
or. Is that mainly bubbles or is it?
It's
Yeah,
mainly
but it's bubbles.
I think all of the Tums turn to bubbles. The other ones are still fizzing on the
Is
bottom.
there any Tums left in that or is
That
all
one?
bubbles?
This one has a teeny bit of Tum left.
Get a good view.
This
can't.
one, oh, I can't
Ah.
see. It has some Tums left. That
Yeah,
one's
that's just
bubbles.
bubble. That's just all bubble.
Seth.
That's red. That's beet red. That's cool looking. Look at that. That's cool.
Seth.
That's just beet red.
Oh, this is cool now.
You got a couple more minutes. You got a couple more minutes to go. You got 3. There's 2.
What's the time?
Is there any Tum left?
Currently
in
at
that, or is
11
it
minutes.
all-
You have 2 more minutes.
What we want to do is see how much of any of the
Oh, do you want me to stir that one now?
is left
for a couple
after
minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Well, we have about 2 minutes to go.
All right,
That's cool though, the red.
and then we'll put our observations. How much of the Tums, if any, is left?
Leave observations in the comments.
So we'll write down in the
Just
book.
as you do it.
We'll make observations.
I do YouTube this.
I think this one is pretty
And
obvious.
as of next week when this goes up.
Is there anything left in this
This
one,
go
or
on.
is
This
that
go
all?
on next
Looks
Thursday.
like a
Why is it
lot.
last week? Because that's just what I have set up to go.
So how many subscribers do you have?
Right?
Just wash your hands when
Depends
you're
which
done.
channel I'm doing. This one's going up to my new channel, which only has 3.
Joyous.
This one's only going, this is going up to my new channel, which only has 3
Never mind,
subscribers.
that's not gonna be
But there's no videos up, so you can't find it yet.
why. You want to be a chemist?
So by the one I think it's like
Yeah, that was way
14.
too overdone.
Can you open YouTube right now?
I don't know if you ever saw that.
I know like one video where there's
Frozen.
3, there's a couple of them. There's Friday. No? What?
Joyous.
I'm not paying attention to my video. Sorry about that.
It's kind of funny to have a cartoon music.
Try
That
editing
was
that
kind
out.
of weird.
Alright, we're at
Wait, what's your video called again?
this one? Doesn't have a name
Yeah.
yet.
No, the one you
I
were
saw
also.
like, I saw like,
Capital T, H-E, capital
What does that
H.
stand for?
H-E.
yeah.
I need something messing up. Oh, I'll write that one.
Cinderella.
Did you?
30 seconds.
Who'd you go with?
I was only paying attention for half this conversation. What happened now?
Cinderella.
Something about
Saw
Cinderella.
the new Cinderella.
That was good because it actually stuck to the story. Usually
Well, I
they
haven't
like
seen it.
go
Is
way
that any
off.
good?
Cinderella?
Yeah.
They actually stuck to the storyline. It was actually pretty cool.
I
They didn't have the part, the True Grimm story though, they cut
Yeah.
off the stepsister's heel to try to fit into the shoe.
Yeah,
Did? I don't remember
And
that
one
part.
that's what's in the original
That's actually
story.
in the original
Really?
story.
Did they have that in a cartoon?
'Cause we
No.
had a book- No.
No, let's put it this way. Most fairy tales that you see in Disney making,
The
if you
Grimm
read the
fairy
original
tale,
versions-
They didn't say Grimm for nothing.
I didn't know.
They
it was a cartoon.
sanitized them for Disney.
yeah, if you read the original versions
They're
of
actually
a lot of these
horrible.
fairy tales are, let's put it this way, there's more violence in those than war books.
Except that Minerva.
Yeah, what about that one German
Minerva senior.
fairy tale? That's pretty creepy.
Which one?
Really?
Hansel and Gretel?
That senior won it all.
Cool.
A woman eating kids.
Yeah, well, I mean that's kind of your standard definition of a witch
Right. It's just,
or an evil lady.
Left. Probably take it camping and that only lasts for
Or a cannibal.
Okay, are we?
Oh, we're good. Yeah, kill. I'm not paying attention.
Okay,
Sorry.
okay, so 5 minutes up?
Yep.
Alright, so, is there any,
nope. Oh, yeah.
A little bit.
Yep. It's on
Oh.
the top.
Oh, it's on the top. Oh yeah, right there.
oh yeah,
That's
okay,
cool.
so,
Close to previous.
alright, so put it
That's
in
what I
your
want.
observations, however you want to describe, in test tube 1, there was a small chunk of, how about in test tube number 2? Is there any remnants of,
This is one I'm showing.
I would say, not.
There's a little right up
Does that look
there.
completely
It
dissolved?
kind of pops around every now
Do
and
you
then.
see any flakes or?
There we go. Got it.
Alright, so number 2 dissolved completely.
Number 3's in the hop.
How about
Number 1 is not. There's a little bit up at the very top. Right by the bubbles.
Number one was like, just,
Very, very little chunk.
nothing special was done. How about number three? Do you see any, tum left in here?
I see no tum, but I see some red. I think the red looks cool. I think that looks neat.
Look, it looks like plum or something.
Yeah, it
What
does.
was
It looks,
your name for number 3?
Three.
Two was,
2 is clean, 3 is clean.
What's
yeah,
the,
two, okay, three,
Three is- oh,
three
just
is, nobody see, it looks like it's completely dissolved.
Is that the one in the heat?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, three's the one in the heat. Two was the one that was chopped up into a bunch of pieces.
That was like vaporized in a second.
Okay, and how about number four?
Sudsy, but none. I saw at least. Oh, wait. Down there at the bottom, maybe.
It's like it's barely started, right?
Yeah,
Or so like
down there.
Seems like about half of it's left.
Yeah, about half.
About, would you say
Whoa,
about half
falling
of that? Or maybe more than a half.
Yeah.
Was that the pieces or no?
No, yeah,
this
that's a
is-
chunk.
This is the one that was a chunk, but. Okay,
There's still a
so
chunk down there.
half or more?
Yeah, about half or more.
What do you think?
about a half, yeah. So it looks like you could see definite things. So 2 and 3 dissolve completely. One most of the way, or like what do you have, a little chunk left?
Yeah.
And 4 was thing. And then we'll just allow this stuff to cool and I'll clean up at the end of the class. Yeah.
What was number 4?
Number 4 was about half.
Yeah, do you want, how about
Half to.
look at it?
I was about to say I can hold it up. 'Cause I want to get it back on my camera. I need to get my real camera. I got a natural camera. I'll hold it.
It'll be interesting to see at the end of the class, but within 5 minutes, there's still a lot left.
How's your hand?
So we'll be right back, guys.